It all began like so many other customizing projects. An ambitious owner takes great pains to create the automobile that he envisions as the ultimate ride. But before he can complete that project, he decides it's better to pass it on to a professional shop that possesses the experience and skills to bring it to reality. And what you see here is a perfect example of that scenario. A 1958 Chevy Impala coupe that was partially completed by its previous owner, now has been transformed into a spectacular show-stopping custom by Angel's Touch Restoration in Sagamore Beach, Massachusetts. And you're about to get a close-up look at this exceptional custom. And soul of any custom is the powertrain. And the team at Angel's Touch installed an 8.1-liter L18 big block GM crate motor mated to a GM 4L80E electronic overdrive transmission. And there are additional upgrades, including 4-wheel coilovers, Willwood disc brakes with electronic brake assist, and a high-efficiency aluminum radiator. The 18-inch billet aluminum wheels combine both cutting-edge and retro design, and are a perfect complement to the Impala's entire Restomod theme. The exterior sheet metal retains its factory contours, but has received subtle yet clever enhancements, such as the original 3-piece bumpers being joined, reshaped, and chromed into one-off pieces of art. In all, over 80 chrome and stainless steel pieces have been restored or custom finished, including the Level Air emblem on the rear, which gives the car a nostalgic flavor, recalling the original air-assisted suspension found on the 1958 Impala. Inside, brilliant red, glove-soft leather now lines nearly every surface of the cabin and has been expertly stitched by the in-house craftsmen at Angel's Touch. There's a decoded digital gauge cluster and vintage air conditioning. The driving experience is what you would expect. Powerful acceleration, effortless cruising at highway speeds, and handling and braking equal to or superior to the automobiles of today. As an automotive personality and commentator since 1990, I get to see an almost countless number of customs on an almost everyday basis. But when I see a custom as outstanding as this 1958 Chevy Impala, well, you know it's going to get my attention. Angel's Touch Restorations has made this home-built custom into a solid show winner wherever it goes. It is truly a rolling masterpiece that can be driven, displayed, and enjoyed.